We built this robot for the competition or ball collector robotics competition, which was held in Qatar. The main objective of the competition was to build an autonomous robot that can collect two different colored balls, which are white color and orange color tennis balls. The robot is supposed to autonomously collect these balls. Then it will dispense the orange colored balls to a specific designated container, and it will throw out the white colored tennis balls to your opponent's side. In order to build this robot, mainly we used 3D printer and CNC cutter. We 3D designed and modeled the specific type of functionalities we need in order to achieve this collection of the balls, as well as filtering, sorting, and dispensing of the balls. Mainly, we use two types of filaments or 3D printing filaments, TPU and PLA materials. The TPU material, we used it to build the brush, which is part of the collection process of the balls. And the PLA material mainly used for most of the solid parts of the robot, which are the vertical conveyor, the funnel, and a lot of connectors, which will integrate the motors with the frame of the robot and the remaining electronics of the robot. Other than that, we also used acrylic glass, and we cut out the acrylic glass using our CNC cutter. As I said earlier, the TPU material is flexible and it's used to collect the balls. Then once the balls were collected, it will pass it to the vertical conveyor, which will move the collected balls up to the funnel. The funnel is located on the top of the robot. Gravity will force the balls to go through the funnel. The size or the neck of the funnel is dimensioned to allow only one ball to pass through at a time. So on the neck of the funnel, we added color sensor, which is used to determine what color ball is inside the funnel. Then the color sensor will communicate with the microcontroller based on the color of the ball to move the servo motor either to the left of the container or the right side of the container. The sorted balls will be accumulated on either the left side or the right side, depending on the color. And we use an Arduino Mega microcontroller, which is the brain of the system, which communicates with the sensors. Also, it controls the motors for the autonomous movement of the robot. So other than color sensor, we also used LiDAR sensor to measure proximity, which uses laser light to measure distance between the robot and the wall of the competition table. So mainly these are the parts or technologies we used for this competition.